I'm Nicola, and I am creating this video to help students that are having trouble in mathematics. The math for today is about positive and negative integers. To my right are the negative numbers, and to my left are the positive numbers. I am at 0. The positive numbers get larger as you count up, but as you count negative numbers, they get smaller and smaller. So before we get farther into the negative and positive integers, I want to talk to you about opposites and additive inverses. Opposites and additive inverses are how far away numbers are from 0. So you have negative 10 is 10 places away from 0. More examples like this would be negative 2 equals 2 or 5 equals 5. You may think math is numbers and sometimes may include letters. Wrong. Math is partly that, sure, but it also has rules. The first rule is for addition and subtraction with same signs. The rule is add the absolute values and use the common sign. Two examples that explain that is 5 plus 12 equals 17 or negative 2 plus negative 5 equals negative 7. Now back to the rules. This rule is for multiplication and division with same signs. The rule is when the product of two integers with the same sign is positive. Two examples of this are 4 times 2 equals 8 and negative 3 times negative 7 equals 21. Because it has the same sign, it's positive. Now before we get into the more complicated stuff, let's talk about the negatives. Say you have a problem like negative 7 minus negative 12. You can take the problem and add the opposite, which means take the negative 7 minus negative 12 and make the subtraction sign in the middle and from negative 12 and make them positive. You should have gotten 5. Now back to the rules. This rule is for multiplication and division with same signs. The rule is when the product of two integers with the same sign is positive. Two examples of this are 4 times 2 equals 8 and negative 3 times negative 7 equals 21. Because it has the same sign, it's positive. The other rule is for different signs. The rule is the product of two integers with different signs are negative. Two examples of this are 4 times negative 2 equals negative 8 and negative 3 times 7 equals negative 21. Because it has different signs, it's negative. Now, since we're done with the rules, well, for those, I want to talk about some common mistakes people may make. In 7 plus negative 4, someone may say it's 11, and in negative 8 plus negative 12, it may equal 20, or even 3 plus negative 2 equals 5. To avoid these problems, you absolutely have to look at the signs. If you do, you should have gotten 3, negative 20, and 1.